Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's makeup tutorial, I am greatly inspired by Mandy Gibson. If you don't know who that is, please check her out on Facebook or Instagram. She is an amazing, talented airbrush artist from the United States and she works with ProAiir. So I follow her on Instagram, on Facebook, and I have seen loads of beautiful work from her Halloween season. And one picture that I saw stood out and I had to try if I could create a makeup like that one. So I know that the Halloween season has officially ended, but as with most of our holidays, we face painters, special effects makeup artists, or just makeup artists post our pictures online after the season is done. So last week I had loads of fun looking at many pictures of you artists, and one in particular stood out to me and I loved it so much that I have been looking at it for like a week and decided, well, let's try if I can do something like that for our YouTube channel. So the picture I have is by Mandy Gibson, a very talented airbrush makeup artist. If you don't know her, check her out on Facebook or on Instagram. She makes amazing makeups. And the one I want to do today is one she posted of a clown. So it is this picture. Now, I know I don't have the same face shape as the actor in the picture, and the makeup will probably look different anyway, because this type of technique is not my regular type of technique, but I tend to just have fun with it and see where the makeup takes me. Mandy uses ProAiir in her makeups, and I am also a big fan of ProAiir. So we're going to make the base with white, and I will probably just block out the sound because the airbrush makes loads of sound. But basically just mix it up really well, put it in the gun and make the entire face white. So there we go. So I always think that getting older is loads of fun until I do a makeup like this one with an airbrush and I see all those little lines around my eyes and I think, well, maybe it's not as cool as I think. But there is the white base and we are going to continue with yellow because there is yellow in the makeup, blue in the makeup, purple in the makeup, and then finally we have black. So it's not that complex, but we really want to get those lines where they need to be. On to the yellow. So obviously I took too bright a color of yellow. I chose the normal yellow and I think I should have chosen the York yellow, which is a bit warmer, a bit deeper in color. But this is what we've got, so this is what we're going to work with. On to the purple, which I chose Plumberry for, and we will see in just a minute if that is the right color of purple. And on to the blue. So at this point I think this is going to be a disaster, but I've learned from years of experience to just continue down the line, do what you want to do and don't judge until you see the end result. So that's why I'm just continuing with the blue. So doing this makeup, I'm discovering that the colors I thought I saw on the picture are not actually all the colors that are on there. So I have the blue by ProAiir Hybrid, because this light blue is on there, but there is definitely a darker blue as well. So we are going to add the dark blue. So this is definitely going to be a different makeup than the one in the picture, but the idea is there. So I'm discovering two things. First up, it has been too long since I have airbrushed myself. And second is that I really enjoy the airbrush. So I put lipstick red in my airbrush gun, and I don't think I see that on the picture, but I do think the look I am creating could use some lipstick red. So I'm going to use it for the shadows around the cheekbones and maybe a little bit around the eyes and the forehead. Just mix it up a little bit with the purple I put on there. And I also have the Yolk Yellow, the darker one, because the yellows are just too bright in this makeup. Let's put that on there. Onto the black by ProAiir. I put that in a little cup and I'm applying it with a detail brush. And then my battery died, so I was applying some colors from the Rainbow palette by Ben Nye just to intensify all of the bright colors. And now I'm switching to the Cool Glam palette to make some shadows and darken up the eyes, maybe some shadows around the nose that are not there yet. And I'm gonna take the gray because I think the black is too black for the shadows. So I have the light shade of gray. I'm just gonna easily make a little bit of shadow alongside my nose because it's not there yet. And then onto the black, because obviously we do want black on the eyelids. Finally, some splatter. I have the splatter brush by Ben Nye, and this is wonderful to splatter colors on your skin. So I have the purple color and I will put the splatter around the purple. There is the purple. I'm quickly cleaning that splatter brush to go on to the blue, and I think I'm gonna take the electric blue, the light one. And there my Mandy Gibson inspired clown Halloween makeup is done. So I know it doesn't really look like the picture I showed you, except maybe for the colors, but I had loads of fun creating this one. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. And obviously, if you need any makeup supplies, airbrush supplies, special effects makeup supplies, feel free to visit our store. I will put a link in the description box down below for you. For now, I wish you a wonderful day and I hope to see you back here next week.